Hey there, fellow traveler. Ever feel like planning a trip is a part-time job? Between booking flights, finding the perfect hotel, and figuring out what to do once you get there, it's enough to make you want to stay home and binge-watch travel shows instead. But what if I told you there's a smarter, faster, and way more fun way to plan your adventures? Enter AI. That's right, artificial intelligence isn't just for sci-fi movies anymore. It's your new travel BFF. Welcome to AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Stick around, because today we're counting down 15 AI travel hacks you can try right now to make your next trip smoother than a TSA agent's pickup line. Let's dive in. Number 15 is AI-powered flight deal finders. Okay, let's talk flights. We all want to save money, but who has time to refresh Skyscanner every 5 minutes? Apps like Hopper and Kayak use AI to predict the best time to book your flights. They analyze billions of data points to tell you whether prices are going up or down. Pro tip: if Hopper says wait, you wait. If it says book now, you book now. It's like having a crystal ball, but without the creepy fortune teller vibes. Next, at number 14, we have chatbots for instant travel advice. Need quick answers to travel questions? AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Google Bard are here to help. Ask them anything: what's the best time to visit Bali? Or how do I say, where's the bathroom, in Japanese? They'll give you instant, detailed answers. Just don't ask them to pack your suitcase unless you want to end up with 12 pairs of socks and no pants. Landing at number 13, we have personalized itinerary generators. Planning an itinerary can feel like herding cats, but AI tools like Wanderlog and Trip Notes make it a breeze. Just tell them your destination, interests, and travel dates, and they'll spit out a customized plan. Want to hit all the museums? Done. Prefer a foodie tour? They've got you covered. It's like having a personal travel agent who works for free and never judges your obsession with gelato. Coming in at number 12 is AI language translators. Lost in translation? Not anymore. Apps like Google Translate and iTranslate use AI to break down language barriers. Point your camera at a menu, sign, or even a tattoo, no judgment, and it'll translate it instantly. Bonus: some apps even let you have real-time conversations in different languages. Just don't blame us if the AI accidentally tells your French waiter you're in love with their croissant. At our number 11 spot is smart packing assistants. Overpackers unite. AI apps like PackPoint create custom packing lists based on your destination, weather, and activities. Going skiing? It'll remind you to pack gloves. Beach vacation? Don't forget the sunscreen. It's like having a mom in your pocket, minus the guilt trip about forgetting your toothbrush. Sliding into the number 10 spot, we have AI-powered hotel recommendations. Finding the perfect place to stay just got easier. Tools like Trivago and Hotel Tonight use AI to analyze reviews, photos, and prices to recommend the best hotels for your budget. Want a boutique hotel with a rooftop pool? Done. A budget-friendly hostel with a killer vibe? They've got you. It's like Tinder, but for hotels, and way less awkward. At number 9 on our list is real-time navigation apps. Getting lost is so 2010. AI-powered navigation apps like Google Maps and Citymapper give you real-time directions, traffic updates, and even public transport schedules. They'll even suggest the best route to avoid crowds or bad weather. It's like having a local guide in your pocket, minus the awkward small talk. Taking the number 8 spot on the list is AI-powered expense trackers. Traveling on a budget? AI apps like Travel, Spend, and Splitwise help you track your spending and stick to your budget. They categorize your expenses so you know exactly where your money's going. Spoiler alert, it's probably on overpriced airport snacks. Landing squarely at number 7 is virtual travel assistants. Meet your new travel buddy, AI virtual assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. They can book flights, check the weather, and even suggest nearby restaurants. Just say, "Hey Google, find me the best tacos in Mexico City." And boom, you're on your way to a life-changing meal. Just don't forget to say thank you. Manners matter, even with robots. In the number 6 spot on our list is AI-powered photo enhancers. Let's face it, not all of us are Ansel Adams, but with AI photo enhancers like Luminar AI and Adobe Lightroom, you can turn your mediocre vacation pics into masterpieces. Fix lighting, remove photo bombers, or even replace boring skies with something more dramatic. Your Instagram followers will never know the difference. Taking the number 5 position is smart travel insurance. Travel insurance doesn't have to be a headache. AI-powered services like World Nomads and Safety Wing use algorithms to tailor coverage to your trip. Lost luggage? Covered. Flight canceled? No problem. It's like having a safety net, but without the circus vibes. Occupying the number 4 space on our list is AI-powered food recommendations. Foodies, rejoice! Apps like Yelp and Zomato use AI to recommend restaurants based on your preferences. Craving sushi? They'll point you to the best spot in town. Vegan? They've got you covered. It's like having a food critic in your pocket, minus the snarky comments. Getting into the top 3 now, and at number 3 we have virtual reality tours. Can't decide where to go? AI-powered VR tours let you explore destinations from the comfort of your couch. Apps like Google Earth VR and Wander give you a sneak peek of your dream destinations. It's like window shopping, but for travel. Sliding into our number 2 spot on the list is AI-powered safety alerts. Safety first, folks. Apps like SafeChure and TripWhistle use AI to send real-time safety alerts about your destination. From weather warnings to political unrest, they've got your back. It's like having a guardian angel, but with better Wi-Fi. And finally, our number 1 hack, using AI-powered travel journals. Okay, let's talk memories. AI tools like Polar Steps and Journey automatically create travel journals based on your photos and location data. No more forgetting where you took that amazing sunset photo. It's like a scrapbook, but without the glue sticks and glitter explosions. Pro tip, check out the video linked at the end of this video on the right side of your screen for a full-length breakdown of some of the best travel journaling apps, which we will also link in the description below. And there you have it, 15 AI travel hacks to make your next trip unforgettable. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, these tools are here to make your life easier. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, start innovating, and don't forget to let us know in the comments which hack you're most excited to try. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tip. AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Until next time, enjoy each adventure. Happy travels.